How to get Facebook Marketplace. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get Facebook Marketplace. All you have to do is open up Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Now here at the navigation bar you'll find the Marketplace icon. However, if you don't find it here, what you can do is tap on three horizontal line icon and then head into this all shortcuts option. Here you'll find the option Marketplace. Now if you don't find it anywhere here at all on your app, then it might mean that you haven't updated your app to the latest version. Now it's the latest update, this latest feature, Marketplace. So what you want to do is head on to your Play Store and search in for Facebook and update it. Now if you don't get the update, what you want to do is force the update. To force update, simply scroll down your notification bar and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen here, and then head into apps option. Scroll down and head into apps option, and here search in for Facebook. Once you search in for Facebook, what you want to do is scroll down and head into storage option here and tap on clear data option. Simply tap on clear data and tap and delete it, and once you delete it, all your Facebook data will be resetted. Once you do this, if you head into Play Store and search in for Facebook, the update must be available. Simply update it and you'll be able to get the Facebook Marketplace. So this way you can get Facebook Marketplace. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.